In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image into a shape in Google Slides. If you want to make your presentation look cleaner, more creative, or just a little more polished, masking an image into a shape is a simple tool that can make a big difference. Google Slides makes this very easy once you know where to find the option. To get started, open your presentation in Google Slides and go to the slide that contains the image you want to edit. This feature works best when your picture is already placed on the slide, so make sure the image is visible and ready to work with before moving on. Next, click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and resizing handles appear around the picture. This is important because the mask option only appears correctly when the image itself is active. Now move your attention to the top toolbar. Look for the crop icon. It usually looks like a small right-angle frame, and it's the same tool used for regular image cropping. This is where many people click too quickly, but for this specific effect, you do not want to click the main crop icon by itself. Instead, click the small down arrow next to the crop icon. This opens the mask image menu. The mask feature lets you place your image inside a predefined shape, which is great for creating custom visuals without needing extra design software. Once the menu opens, you'll see several categories to choose from, including shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. Move your cursor over the category that contains the style you want and then click on your preferred shape. As soon as you select it, Google Slides will automatically crop the image into that shape. That's it. Your image is now masked into the selected design. A helpful tip here is to choose a shape that matches the style of your presentation. For example, standard shapes are great for professional slides, while callouts or arrows can be useful when you want to emphasize a point visually. Also, if the image doesn't look quite right after applying the mask, make sure the picture was selected properly before opening the menu. This is a fast and effective way to customize visuals in Google Slides, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat on any slide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.